I'm in Englewood, Florida right now. The dolphins and a guy that's about to pass me. But they're all, it's fine. They're all right in there. There they come up right there. Getting kind of aggravated, I think. Look how pretty they are. Look at that. All over the place. I think I better go because they're getting pretty pissed. So, adios. And that's the beach. Here's where I am. That's the inlet. Alright, I'm gonna go.